Hello, welcome back to Millionaire Mind Frequency 30 Days Attract Money Ritual Challenge, and you are listening to Money Lessons. Please go through previous lessons to know from this lesson. So, it is never too late to start getting wealthy. I don't know whatever your age is, even if you are retired and you are suffering that whatever I have earned is not with me, or you are into mid 40s where midlife crisis starts, or maybe you are a young teenager, 22 years, 25 years, and looking at all the money mistakes what your parents had, and you have lot of anger towards your parent that they have not provided the way you wanted, but they were not at fault. So it's never too late to start getting wealthy. I should have started pension in my early 20s. It is too late now. I cannot save. We can change anything you want. It's never too late to start being wealthy. Anyone can make money. It is not limited by age or by your time factor or by your skin factor. All that it requires is that you shift your focus to becoming wealthy, and already things will start happening without you have to do anything for it. Just think that you have to become wealthy, your actions will start. So, thoughts, feeling, actions, and results. Obviously, you want more than the basic that the universe is going to give you. You will have to do little more. But by shifting your focus, you will set the wheels in motions and prosperity will come to you. You have to surrender, believe, and trust. No matter how long you have been along the particular path, the poverty or lack of success, whatever, it does not need much a shift to alter the course. But by altering the course can happen no matter how you have left it. There is no such thing as too late. If gaining the prosperity, as in most things, there is a tipping point. Once you have added on those couple of degrees to port or starboard, resulting change in the trajectory will start. So it is never too late to start investing in stocks, in share, in pension, in style, in quality, in yourself, in life. By staying alert and alive, we resist that decline into the inactivity and apathy, which is such as an aging attitude. It is also never too late to start investing and start saving money in shares or in a pension or in a style, as I told you. If you think it's too late, probably is. The secret is never to think like that. If you think that you can give up easily, then probably you can. Don't think. Look, come into this together class and make money, some for you, some for your society, and you will experience that it is only a thought process which is creating positive emotions. Those positive emotions will take the positive actions. It does not matter at what age you are. I already told in my previous lessons that you might be having a person in a family who is earning 5 lakhs per month, and you might be having a person who is earning 50,000 per month. But sometimes the person who is earning 50,000 per month is more richer than a person who is earning 5 lakhs a month. It does not matter how much money you make, but how you manage the money what you have, and invest it for future. And by creating a multiple sources of money, how your money can work for you, and devote that sometime. Your part-time business is, even though you are in job, your part-time business is managing that money and investing that money to create your financial freedom. Thank you and stay tuned.